You open up your Instagram account, you were scrolling, you see some suggested post, but you are bored of it or you want something new. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your suggested post on Instagram so that you can start seeing new things. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do remember to hit the subscribe button so that you can get more content like this. Now this feature is only available on the phone. Without further ado, let me go to my phone to show you how you can do this. Let's go! When you scroll your Instagram app, you start seeing the content, but you want to refresh them because you feel bored seeing the suggested content that is not relevant, for example like this, right? How are you going to reset them? Go to bottom right, which is your profile picture there. Then you click on the top right, which is the three line, the hamburger icon, and then scroll down to what you see, content preferences. Click on here, and you can see here reset suggested content. Click on this, and then you can just follow accordingly. Now this is only applicable for phone in Apple and Android. I don't see it on my computer yet, so you can only do it with your phone. So once the fresh start, let's click next. So you read all this. So you'll see suggestion about topics and new suggestions. The resets can't be undone. Okay, it won't change who you follow and your add topics, and also it won't delete your data. Okay, just to reset your suggested content. Now click on next. Before resetting, review who you follow and your add topics. I mean, you can just see who you follow, most shown in feed, add topics, all this you can edit accordingly, alright, to see. But if not, just tap on reset suggested content, click on that, and then reset. Yeah, and now you're done. Now you should be able to see new suggested content in your profile. So it will again depend on what kind of content that you liked or you follow, then they will suggest accordingly. So yeah, so that is how you reset your suggested content on Instagram. Okay, if you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel, and I see you next time. Goodbye.